Have you ever thought to yourself, how can I use scientific notation to help me ensure that my sig figs are correct? I know, it's been on your mind. Well, this special edition will answer your questions. Okay, it's me, Moser, and after this video, you should be able to handle weird special cases that come up involving sig figs and rounding. This assumes that you already know what sig figs are, that you already know how to round with sig figs in mind, and that you know how to use scientific notation. That's going to be really important. So, just the other day, I divided 109,709.38 by 22, and what do you know? I got this number, 4,986.79. Now, because this was a problem where sig figs mattered, I had to think in terms of how many sig figs I could have in my final answer. Well, I looked back to my original givens, and lo and behold, that 22, well, it limits me to 2 sig figs, so I can only keep 2 significant figures here. What are my options for a sig figged answer? Well, that's easy. It's 5,000 because, the 9 rounds up because of the 8, and because it's a 9, then the 4 rounds up to a 5, so the answer has to be 5,000. But wait, written like this, that only has 1 sig fig. Oh, well, that's a problem. Oh, okay. Well, then it's 4,900. That's got 2 sig figs. True. But it's also not rounded correctly. Oh, okay, well, I could do this. 5,000 with a decimal after it. Yeah, but that has 4 sig figs. Oh, 50? No! Don't be ridiculous! That was fun. So, how do I fix this? Ta-da! 5.0 times 10 to the third. This fixes everything. Well, let's see. Does my answer have the value of 5,000, which is the appropriate value for the final answer when we consider rounding? Yes, it does. Does my answer have 2 sig figs? Yes, it does. The beauty of scientific notation, no matter how many sig figs you need, that's just how many you put down. Whatever number of sig figs are required is what you write. So, this number right here, 3 sig figs. This number, 2 sig figs. 1 sig fig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sig figs. It's madness. Next time you're stuck in a difficult rounding situation, the answer, the solution to all your problems, well, okay, not all your problems, but this one, use scientific notation. It will change your life. Do you feel that you are now equipped with the tools to handle weird special cases with sig figs and rounding? Good. Then my work here is done.